Want to ditch the boring and embrace the bespoke? Let's transform plain washi tape into custom plaid perfection. First, grab your plain washi tape, a few colors of craft paint, and a thin paint brush. Lay out a strip of washi tape and using a ruler as a guide, paint thin, evenly spaced horizontal lines in your first color. Once the horizontal stripes are dry, it's time to add the vertical lines. Using a different color or two, carefully paint thin, evenly spaced vertical lines, crossing over the horizontal stripes. This is where the plaid magic happens. Pay close attention to the intersections. That's where the plaid pattern really pops. Don't worry about being absolutely perfect. Slight imperfections add to the handmade charm. Let the paint dry completely. Now, your custom plaid washi tape is ready to add a personal touch to all your crafts. Spruce up gift wrapping, embellish journals, or add flair to any DIY project. Get creative and experiment with different color combinations to create a whole wardrobe of plaid washi tape. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. #WASHI Tape DIY #PlaidCrafts